Every automatic watch from the Cincinnati Watch Company comes with a certificate of quality assurance signed by the watchmaker who assembled the watch. On this certificate, you will find the results of the timing analysis and water resistance check. The rate of the watch when fully wound is measured in 5 different positions. They are horizontal, with the dial up and dial down, and vertical, with crown down, crown left, and crown up. The amplitude of the balance wheel is also recorded in the dial up position. The average of these 5 positions is an approximation of how the watch will perform when worn, and is recorded as the average daily rate deviation in seconds per day, and the difference between the fastest and slowest positions is recorded as the delta. One of the last steps in the quality control process is to test the tightness of the case by exposing it to changes in air pressure and measuring the deformation of the case. The quality assurance certificate indicates the pressure values to which the watch was exposed during the tightness test. A negative value represents exposure to decrease in pressure, and a positive value represents an increase in pressure. The check mark indicates it passed the test according to ISO standard 22810.